Hi guys, we're back here at the Destiny project. A couple of weeks ago we started the demolition, took everything apart, and I'm happy to say 2-3 weeks down the road we're all done, place is looking good. We created this home entertainment unit for the TV and the homeowner's office. So in behind this panel we have a little office set up, and we've been able to put a nice little recessed lighting system in. When the office is closed, close the door, away you go. Over here we have the new kitchen, completely redesigned, completely lit up, whole brand new granite, brand new everything. I'm really excited about how this turned out. I have the remote for these lights, on and off, and the lighting is very exciting actually. We've got everything on different circuits, so you can change the mood. If you want to have just low lighting, you can have low lighting. If you want to have cooking lighting, you have cooking lighting. We have our little micro switch here for the counter lighting. Very cool. Turned out really nice. I'm really happy with the layout. We have everything in the right place. Definitely the kind of kitchen that you can really get into and cook and bake and enjoy the view. Spectacular view. Through here into the master bedroom, we were having some problems with this unit leaking. This wall had some infiltrations. So we put our waterproofing system on the wall, and then we've dressed it with the stone from the bar and created a nice little light box. So it's super dry, 100%. And now at night, the room is much more intimate and more comfortable. And again, you have a beautiful view. Great apartment. These downtown Panama City apartments here on Avenida Balboa are excellent location, excellent view, but again, they're dated. They're 10 years old, they have the builder kitchen, they have the builder bathroom, and what we do now is we come in and we renovate the entire apartment and give you a super modern, comfortable feel, everything works, and then you have the beautiful view, you have it all. So if we can be of any help, by all means look us up, TradeWorks Panama, we're on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for watching our video.